Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your HP ZBook Firefly 14 to your TV. And all of that is pretty simple. So there are three methods of doing that. The first one is, I think, the best because it has the highest quality and is supported by all TVs that are out there. So it's really great, and also it's just, I think, the most reliable one. So this is a cable connection and I highly do recommend that. It has the most options, the highest quality, everything like that, as I've mentioned earlier. And in order to use it, you'll need an HDMI cable, at least on the end of your laptop, because this laptop supports display output through the HDMI cable, but I'm also gonna check if it supports the display output through USB-C, because I don't know about that. And on the other end, it has to be something that your TV supports, so most probably also HDMI, but it may be something different. You just need to know what cable, what display inputs does your TV support. Now I'm gonna try to connect it using the USB-C to see if that works. So let's try that. Okay, it has to turn on, so I'm gonna get back to when that's done. And it does indeed support it, so that's pretty neat. And you can see that on both screens right now, I have the same thing being displayed. If you want to change it, you should click on Windows and P key on your keyboard. The Windows is on the bottom row of the keyboard with Windows logo, and the P is just a letter, right? So let's click on them both, and you can see it opens the projection screen. Now we can select PC screen only, duplicate, extend, or second screen only. I'm gonna select extend, and now this is how it looks. Before I start moving windows around, let's go to more display settings. Here you can find the arrangement, and you can see it's not quite true. So let's rearrange those. Now I'm gonna move it like that, apply it, and now it is correct. You can see I can move my cursor. I can also move the whole window up, and it looks quite great. Then we also get a few more settings, but I think I'm not gonna dive too deep into those. You can just click on the monitor and adjust its settings, right? Now let's get to the second method, which will be supported by most modern TVs, and it requires you to be on the same Wi-Fi networks on both devices, your laptop and your TV. So I'm just gonna connect pretty quickly and disconnect the cable. So you might have noticed I was testing the USB-C connection with the wired connection. So going back to the wired one, you can use either the USB-C or the HDMI, which is really, really great. I'm gonna unplug that. Once we have that set, you should click on Windows and K on your keyboard. That opens the cast window. You can select your TV if it's supported and it's on the same network. Then there is a chance that on your TV you may need to allow it using the remote. I'm gonna find the remote, and now just click on OK. And here you can also use the Windows and P button to change the arrangement and change the type, like to mirror or extend, of course. But I'm not gonna dive too deep into that. It's basically the same thing, but it has a higher latency. It actually has the latency because the cable has unnoticeable latency, and also it may have a lower quality because it's connected over Wi-Fi. So yeah, I can see the latency. It's really bad right now. But it may be great for watching some pictures or some presentations. It may be just about right. Now let's get to the last method, which requires you to have the Chrome browser. The Chrome browser lets you cast from different websites. And before we begin, your TV has to have an app for the website you're gonna open on your laptop. For example, YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, whatever. You have to have that app. I for sure have the YouTube app, so let's search for YouTube. I'm gonna accept some of these things. And now in the Chrome browser, simply open the video you want to watch. So probably I'm just gonna open something from our channel. Yeah, that sounds pretty great. Maybe even my own video. Yeah.
Hello.
And now I'm gonna disconnect from the TV, so it just makes sense. And now click on three dots in top right corner and click on, scroll down and click on Cast, Save and Share. Then click on Cast. And it should let me select the TV, but it didn't. So we'll see about that. Yeah, now it should find not the laptop, the TV. Now I'm gonna confirm that. And let's play the video.
This video, I'm gonna.
Yeah, it didn't help, but now this play on TV button has appeared. Yeah, at some point it should work, and most probably in your case it will work. I have some issues with the TV. So how it works is it basically sends a link to the video to your TV, and if your TV has an app of this website, then you can watch it. But your laptop persists linked to the laptop, so to the TV, so you can use it as a remote, sort of. You can pause videos, you can rewind, go back, fast forward, or just skip the video, skip ads using your laptop. Or also you can do stuff like adding videos to the queue. And that's about it. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.